Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Spyro the dragon. So I'm going to start by drawing his eyes. So his eyes are not quite great big circles. They're not quite circles. It's just a bit of a silly shape like that. So we'll just do one eye at a time. But now we'll have a circle inside this shape. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little circle up top here, and then I'm going to put a circle right here. And now the inside of this circle we can color in black. But if you want to wait until the end to do your coloring, that's fine. Alright, so now I'm going to give him a little bit of a nose. So we're going to start with a nostril right here. So it's just kind of like the shape of a C, but tilted. And then we're going to work our way over to the other side and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so he's got two nostrils now. And I'm going to do a line going here towards the middle of his face and do a little horizontal line there. And then come on in on that side too. And now we can start working on the other eye. So we'll come on up and come on down. Okay, so very similar to the shape we did over here. And now we'll do a circle in that shape. And I'll put a circle up top here. And then another circle inside, and we can color that one in black if we want. Okay, so now we got his eyes done and we got part of his nose done. Now we can start on his eyebrows. So up here, up above this eye, we can start with a little line up here and curve it down, just a little curve like that. And then we're going along horizontally. And then we'll come on down. Just down a little bit, not all the way. And then so we can keep going up this way on this line, and then come on over, and then come on down, like that. So that's one eyebrow. Now let's go and do his other eyebrow. So his other eyebrow is going to be up a little bit. It's going to be a little bit higher than this one. So we'll start a little bit higher. Okay, a little line like that, and come on across, and come on down. Work your way back up, a curve here on this side, and then connect right there. All right. So now let's give him some of those little spikes he's got on top of his head. So I'm gonna do a little curved line like that and kind of connects both of the eyebrows together. And then we can give him a little spike. Okay, and now I'm going to put another one behind that spike. Like that. And there's going to be another one in behind that. Like that. Now coming from this side of his head, he's got a great big horn. So we're slanting this way. And coming on down. Okay, so we got one horn on that side, and then we're going to do another one over on this side. But right here, I'm going to do a little line like that, and that's just going to be another part of his head. So that part there is going to go purple eventually. All right, so I'm going to start right here, kind of behind these spikes. And we're going to start curving a little bit. Okay, and then come on back down. Okay, Now his horns both have lines going across them. So we can put those in, but they're not quite straight lines. They kind of go down and then up, kind of like little V shapes. And then same over on this side. Okay, like that. So now let's go right here and make a horizontal line. And then we can connect it up here to that nostril. And connect right here to the nostril right here that we did earlier. And then we can do a little line right here coming from that eyebrow. And then we're going to branch off a little bit and we're going to give him a little cheek. So it's going to come on down. It's not going to be too thick. It's just going to be a little line like that. And then we're coming on down. Just a little silly line. And then right here, we're coming on down from that eyebrow. And we're going to do another cheek on this side, a little silly line. And come on down like that. Okay, so now he needs a smile. So I'm going to do a little line here like that. And same over here on this side, a little line like that. And we can give him a smile. Just like that. Now, we need to give him his body. So he's got a long neck. So we can do long neck like that. And then we're going to kind of come down a little bit. We need to make room for his arm. So we're going to give him a little shoulder here. So it's going to have a rounded line like that. And then come on down. And bring the other line coming on down. And give him his little feet. So we're going to come down like that. And then he's got claws. So 1, 2, 3. He's going to have another claw. 4 claws on that foot. So right here, we're going to come on in. And we're going to give him 4 claws on this foot too. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 4, and come on in. And then we can bring that line up to the other side of his arm and curve it in, give him that shoulder. And then right here between his 2 front claws, we can do a straight line here. And then over here, we're going to do a little line like this. And then come down like that, a little line right there. Because this part's going to be purple and this part's going to be yellow, because this part is the like kind of scales of his belly. And so right up here, we're also going to do another little line coming on down, because this part's purple and this part is going to be the scaly part. So let's put in the lines, the horizontal lines that we need for his belly. So they're the same kind of lines that we did up here for his horns. They're kind of V shaped, like soft V. They're not quite straight across. So they're kind of down and then up. Down and up. Okay, so now we need to do his back leg. We're going to come on out And we need 3 little claws on this foot. So let's do 1, 2, 3 claws. And bring that foot in. Okay. So now we need a foot on this side. Do a curved line like that. And he needs his 3 little claws. So 1, 2, 3. 3 claws on that side. Now he needs his wings. So from his back here, we're gonna come up and then come down. We'll come up again, do a soft rounded shape like that, and then do that again. So we're kind of making almost like bat wings. And then up here, we're going to do a line, and then a line going down this way too, and a line coming down here, and one coming here. Now, he needs one on this side too. So we'll come up, around the top here, come on down. We're going to try to make it kind of the same size as this other wing. And come on in. Okay. Come on up and down. And then we're going to put a line right here. Alright, and now he needs a little tail. So over here by his feet, it's just going to come out a little bit. Just a little line. And it's almost like, the bottom of his tail is almost like a rattlesnake's tail. So we're going to do kind of like a ring there. Then another one. And it's going to get smaller. We're going to do like smaller rings. Like that. Alright, so we have our drawing done, but now we need to color him in. So we're probably going to speed up this part. But before I get to coloring, I think I'm probably going to take a black marker and line the outside of my drawing, just to make it kind of pop a bit more. Alright, so we are done our picture of Spyro the Dragon. So I hope you had fun drawing along with us today, and I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodles. Alright, bye!